Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video. The series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, probably class it as an accessory, but I'm going to be unboxing two pairs of Palo Alto glasses that I bought from Eyebuydirect. I'm really keen to unbox these and show these off to you guys in the video today. For the longest time, I've talked on the channel that one of my, weaker areas of my wardrobe and my personal style has been my eyewear and my glasses, basically the accessories of the face. And I've obviously upgraded that over the years by getting a bunch of piercings and things like that I really like, but I always still feel that I don't have a lot of options when it comes to eyewear. And I've been really picky on that because throughout my whole journey of exploring what shape suits my face the best, what I really like, I've still only actually gotten like 1 to 2 pairs of glasses that actually fit all those criteria. And the first pair I got, which was these hilariously over-the-top Gucci sunglasses, they were fantastic in shape, but they weren't very versatile. And then I went and bought a pair of Max & Co glasses, which are fantastic, absolutely love them, but the lenses are still a bit tinted, something that you'd probably see as more as a pair of sunglasses than glasses. So I still wanted to take those steps forward into buying a pair that I could wear every day. And from that, I've now bought 2 pairs of these Palo Alto glasses from Eyebuydirect, and these ones look incredibly versatile. I've made them non-prescription, so they're not gonna help me with my sight at all. They're literally just for aesthetic purposes, and I hope to wear these day to day. The 2 pairs that I bought, exactly the same model. I just bought one in black and one in silver because I wear silver jewelry and I like black accessories a lot, so I felt that a pair in each of those colors would work quite consistently with what I wear day to day. And yeah, that's what I've got here. So in today's video, we're going to unbox them, try them on, see how they look, and I'll explore that journey with you guys, and hopefully these will become my day-to-day pairs of glasses that I can wear, and you'll probably see them again on the channel. So now that I've kind of given you the rundown of like the journey of how I got here and what I've got here to unbox, let's get into it. Let's unbox these 2 pairs of glasses and see what I've got. I hope the expectation is that I'm not going to keep these boxes because I kind of just see these as shipping boxes, but it's going to be a bit awkward when I rip into them and if there's nothing else. Then I wonder how I'm going to store these glasses realistically. Yeah, I didn't buy them with a case. There was an option to like pay a couple extra dollars to get a case for them. I wasn't hugely sold on getting a case, so I was just like, whatever, I'll just have them as is. Hopefully that works out okay for me. Otherwise, I might be buying a case for them sometime soon. So I'll get this first pair out of the box if I can, although it doesn't seem to, oh no, there we go. Cool. Pair number 1. Let's get this second pair out of its case as well. Okay. If I can. They're very well packaged. I'll give Eyebuydirect that. They were very well packaged. And in all honesty, they arrived very quickly. I bought these on like the 13th of February, and then after a week of them cutting, putting the non-prescription lenses in and shipping them, they arrived on the 21st, I think, so around 8 days. The shipping time was literally 1 day. It was 24 hours. It was mainly the time to, I guess, cut the lenses and put them in and everything like that that took the most time. But here they are. Very nice little wooden sliding boxes. We'll open the first one here and get into it. See happy. I mean, this is probably some packaging tailored to if I actually got prescription lenses, but as I said, I literally bought these non-prescription, so they're not going to help with my sight at all, purely for aesthetic purposes. I'll open this first one up here. So this seems to be, I think, the silver model. As you can see, quite round lenses, no frame, I would say. It literally just connects to the actual glass itself, and that is it. But let's put these on. I think they look really nice. This was the style that I'm going for because I love circular lenses, and I think they look quite nice. This is the silver one. I'll now try on the black one and take it from there. But model number one, get number two out. Take this out here. Done and done. Nice little dust bag that it comes with. Can't complain about that. Yes, and here's the black model. So completely black detailing on it, not like the one that I'm currently wearing, which is just silver detailing on it. It might actually look better with the black detailing. I'm glad that I got both. I'll take the silver ones off and put the black ones on. I do like the black ones as well, mainly because the detailing matches like what I'm already wearing here or as a hat. Like I'm already wearing this Kangol hat and it kind of works with the lenses already. I like them, but I don't know which one I like more. What do you guys think? Do you think it is the black ones or the silver ones? I'll put the silver ones back on. I like the model. The model looks great. This is my first pair that I haven't had with a frame around them. It's just the lens, but it's a nice look. Again, love round glasses. Give me really big shapes when it comes to the lenses and I'm absolutely on board. I dislike small glasses or I guess very cat-eyed lenses and things like that. I like big solid shapes, so circles, rectangles. I don't think they do triangle glasses, but never say never, I suppose. But yeah, here is the model. It's got, I think, anti-scratch protection on it, and that's about it. I didn't go too crazy with the lenses, literally non-prescription and a little bit of protection to the glass. That's about it. I didn't want to go more hectic than that. But yeah, there's the two models, guys. I don't know what the model is called. I think it's got it listed on the side here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that on the actual camera itself because it might be reflecting too much, but the actual lens is the Palo Alto L, I'm assuming large because it's a large lens, 48-21 140 C1. That's the model, assumably. But yeah, that's the look. That's what I'm going for. Probably going to wear these a lot in the future. And look, hey, as I get older and my eyes deteriorate, at least I've got glasses prepared that I can maybe upgrade to some prescription lenses and stuff like that. But let me know your thoughts, guys. Are you a fan of wearing glasses? Yes or no? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I'm a fan of them because I think it just adds an extra feature to your face, an outfit. It can really make or break an outfit in a lot of things, and it can add a lot of spice to an outfit that's quite, I guess, you know, calm. There's nothing crazy about it. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you a fan of these lenses? Are you not a fan of these lenses? Do you like glasses? Do you not wear glasses? Let me know down in that comment section below. And that's the two pairs fully unboxed, guys. I think I'm falling in love with the black pair more than the silver pair at the moment. But maybe I'll wear them like interchangeably, like one day the silver pair, one day the black pair, and kind of take it from there and see which one I like the most out of the two. I think I'll definitely be coming back to Eyebuydirect because the whole process was really easy. It was just pick the frame, pick the piece, get a discount, they deliver it to you, no dramas whatsoever. And I've already got my eyes on some other pairs as well, so who knows? You might be seeing more glasses on the channel to change it up. But yeah, let me know if you guys ever bought from Eyebuydirect and if you're a fan or not. If you are, let me know. Or if you're not a fan, I'd love to hear what you have to say about them down in that comment section below. And of course, if you guys want me to keep doing more unboxing videos on the channel, you've just got to give me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is to subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, I'm trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,925 subscribers before the end of the month. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of February. But that's everything I have to say, guys. That is both the pairs of the Palo Alto Glasses unboxed. I'm keen to wear them moving forward, and I'll definitely wear them as like a mainstay on the channel, just so I can get used to them as well, but also just so people can get used to them as well. But I'm a fan of them. They were relatively cheap. I'm not complaining about the price at all. I'm happy with what I got. So thumbs up from me. Definitely going to be buying more of these kind of glasses with this kind of style. So until the next unboxing video, until the next, I guess, streetwear talk video, and I guess until the next sneaker talk video, guys, I'll catch you later.